Open the box. There is a power cord and USB cable. The machine opens the plastic bag and places the machine on a flat surface. Open the cover of the machine, insert the label into the fixed column, and fix the fixed column in the card slot. Note that the direction of the label paper cannot be reversed, and the fixed column should be placed in the card slot correctly. After the driver is downloaded, the installation is completed on the computer. Select the printer model driver. Select USB port. Waiting for installation to complete. Open the software editing software to edit the content. New blank page. Select the printer model driver. Size of input label paper length and width. The size of the label paper input is the same as the actual size put into the printer. Go to the blank page when finished. The text entry box edits the content. Text input box font selection. Click the text box to edit the content. Text boxes resize and position. Barcode editor. Mouse long press the left-click barcode border resize. Double-click the barcode to enter property editing. Select the data source in the embedded data edit content. Select the printer name and the number of copies to print. Click Print.